Taking, no good. Rebound by Pasilong. Fades away, no good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy to Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Nagmamadali. Allen Hesi, move. Allen. Butata ng board. JC Espinosa naghanap ng papasahan. Stolen by Allen. Pass to Pagkanlungan. Nabitawan. Allen. Pass to Magsambol. Stolen by Magsambol. Makoy side steps.
Makoy Vergara.
Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Vergara. Pass to Espinosa for the shot. Is good.
JC Espinosa.
Magsambol sets up the play. Magsambol to Lee. Pass to Pagkanlungan for hesitates. Pagkanlungan for the layup. No good. Rebound by Jeron. Pass to Pasilong. Pasilong nagbaba ng bola. Pasilong haras by Magsambol. RJ Cabubas. RJ to
Reseborde.
tibay ng mukha. Hindi pa bayad. Naglaro na. Makoy for 3.
Makoy Vergara 3.
Jorens Pasilong nagbaba. Jorens pass to Iking. Iking Hesi move. Iking, what a move by Iking is no good. Rebound by Makoy Vergara. Makoy nagbababa ng bola. Makoy harassed by JC.
Makoy Vergara. Foul on number 19, JC Espinosa.
Ilan na? First pa lang, no?
First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot for Makoy Vergara.
No good. JC. No good.
Foul on number 7, Emmet Pagkanlungan. His first personal foul, first team foul. RJ Cabubas.
Uy, ba't 7-6? Tama ba? Tama.
JC Espinosa.
Pagkalungan. Fix. Pagkalungan to Allen. Pass to Canosa. Canosa back to Makoy. Makoy Hesi. Makoy pass to Allen. Back to Magsambol for 3.
Mike Magsambol 3.
JC. Pass to Pasilong. Pasilong Hesi move. Pasilong. What a defensive stop by Allen. Pasilong naghahanap. Espinosa gets the ball. Pass to RJ. Back to Pasilong for the shot. Is good.
Lawrence Basilo.
Deadlock at 10 early in the first quarter. May sub ha, may sub. Vergara, pass to Magsambol. Magsambol. Back to Vergara, Allen. Allen, Hesi. Allen. Pumasok. Pass to Evet. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 10, Rex Eborde. First personal foul, second team foul. Nakatagilid na, oy.
Second shot is good by Ebet Pagkanlungan. Pasilong, back to Iging. Iging Vergara nagbaba. Iging with a shot, no good. Rebound by Makoy, naagawan ni Albert Buwan. RJ, pass to Iging Vergara. Iging, haras by Ebet Pagkanlungan. 9 seconds, naagawan. Pero recovered by RJ Camubas. What a defensive play. Stop by RJ. Espinosa umigot, Espinosa tumira, wala yan.
Black ball.
Jorens crosses over. Jorens stops and pops, no good. Rebound by Allen. Haras by RJ. Allen nagbaba ng bola. Allen, ngulok pas. Pero, buti na lang outside. Substitution.
Substitution.
No good. Magsambol to Allen. Allen nagbaba, nagmamadali, muntik maagawan. Allen for the layup is good.
Allen Vergara.
Iging for the shot is good.
Iging Vergara.
Richie for the shot.
Richie De Leon.
Pasilong stops and pops is good.
Jorens Pasilo.
Stolen by JC. JC for the shot. May nakitang foul. Sino pre?
Foul on Makoy Vergara. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Pasok.
Substitution.
$16-15 sa akin. Pasok dalawang free throw. Pasok dalawang free throw. Royals lamang ha. Javier. Nahawakan ng Royals yan.
5 seconds to shoot.
Richie, pass to Makoy. Makoy, fakes.
Shot clock violation.
Iging, without. Wala mo ba, Iging?
Iging Vergara.
Richie, paso magsambol. Magsambol, stolen. Hindi yan nakakonvert ng steal.
Same ball.
Allen,
Allen Vergara, 3!
what a shot from Allen. From the logo. Pasilong for the shot is good.
Pasilong.
Allen for the shot.
Allen Vergara, 3!
Nagiinit na si Allen Vergara. Espinosa, pass to Iking. Iking, fakes. Harassed by Allen. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 04, Allen Vergara.
14 pala. Ha? 14.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Pasilong for the shot, no good. Rebound by Espinosa. For the shot is good.
JC Espinosa.
Sino foul? Ha?
Foul on number 02, RJ Cabumas. His first personal foul, 13 foul.
Makoy for the shot, no good. Rebound by Pasilong. Pasilong nagbababa ng bola. 1 minute 14 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Stolen by James Xavier. Naagawan pa rin yan. Napunta kay JC Espinosa. Pass to Buan. Buan free for the 3. No good. Xavier for the rebound. Pass to Magsambol. Intercepted by Iking Vergara. Pasilong for the shot is good.
Lawrence Pasilong.
Hinaharas na ni RJ Cabumas si Allen Vergara early this first quarter. 10 seconds to shoot for the Oilers. 5 seconds to shoot. What a defensive play by RJ Cabumas. Wala yan for Allen. Iking Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Iking crosses over. Iking with a shot. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Espinosa for the shot.
JC Espinosa.
Makoy, 5 seconds to shoot. Makoy to Richie. Richie to Makoy. Makoy with a shot.
Makoy Vergara. End of the first quarter. Ang ating score ay 26 to 23. 3-point lead by the Royals. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga ama! Second quarter.
Magandang gabi sa ating live viewers. Sa kinunik ko sa globe ko. May load pa yan? May nalang talaga signal. Stolen by Canosa. Canosa, pass to Vergara. Vergara, walang hesitation. Tumira ng 3, no good. Pasilong, harassed by Canosa. Offensive foul by Pasilong.
Foul on Lawrence Pasilong. First personal foul.
Makoy, pass to Allen. Allen screen by Plaza. Allen pass to Plaza. Plaza pass to Canosa for the shot. No good. Rebound by Plaza again. Plaza, no good pa rin yan. Makoy pa rin. Wala pa rin. Hindi makakuha ng rebound ang Royals. Makoy, 4-3. Wala. Rebound secured by JC Espinosa. Nagbababa ng bola. JC tubuan. Buan, Pasilong. Pasilong. Setting up. Iging Vergara, naghahanap ng screen. Nakakuha ng screen kay JC Capos, pero nakuha ni Jores for the shot is good.
Lawrence Basilong. Outside.
Pasilong for the shot is good.
Lawrence Basilong.
What a start by Jorens Pasilong.
Shout out sa'yo, Charchado Escabeche.
Rebound by Iking. Pass to Pasilong, nagbababa ng bola. 8 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Bert, 3-4-3 is no good. Richie nagbaba. Richie to Vergara. Vergara for the layup.
Royals ball, Royals ball.
Iking, side step. Pass to Ryan. Pass to JC for the shot is good.
JC Espinosa.
Yok. Bola. Sub kayo. May sub. Plaza to Richie. 3 seconds to shoot. Richie for the shot. No good. Rebound by Buan. Buan to Espinosa. Espinosa ang layo ng tinakbo.
JC Espinosa.
Unti-unti nang lumalayo.
I'm out Oilers. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga ama. Back to the ballgame.
Allen Vergara, pass to Ralph Plaza. Ralph hesitates shoots for the 3, no good. James Xavier, pass to Allen. Allen, may nakitang foul. Kai.
Foul number 13, Sam Javier. First personal foul, first team foul.
Second shot is good by Allen Vergara. Pasilong nagbababa ng bola. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Iking tumingin sa time. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasilong with the Hesi. Pasilong back to Iking. Iking pinasa kay. Good. JC Espinosa is good.
JC Espinosa.
Makoy, 4-3. Inom umalog yan. Plaza, naghahanap ng papasahan. Plaza, back to Makoy. Makoy, back to Vergara. Allen. Miscommunication by the Oilers. Magandang gabi sa ating mga live viewers. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga ama. Iging Vergara, 4-3, no good. Rebound by James. Nakuha ni Canosa. Pass to Vergara. Vergara, harassed by Espinosa. Foul by Espinosa.
Foul on number 19, JC Espinosa. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Alan Vergara.
Pasok yung muna.
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Pasilong, back to Iking. Vergara, back to Pasilong. Pasilong sets up. Pasilong back to Iking. To Espinosa. Espinosa back to Pasilong. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Javier. Javier naghahanap. Allen, nakuha ng bola. Pinalusot sa ilalim ng kuya. Allen, agawan. Vergara nagbaba. Iking. Iking. With a move is good.
Iging Vergara.
Makoy. With a shot is good.
Makoy Vergara.
Tagisa ng mga magkakapatid na Vergara. Pasilong to Iking. Iking sets up. 10 seconds to shoot. Ray Vergara. Back to Iking. Back to Pasilong. Pasilong. Dumidiskarte. 2 seconds to shoot. Hindi nakatingin sa orasan. Naputukan ng 24.
Shot clock violation.
Iking. Pass to Javier. Javier sets up. Makoy, sub tayo ha. Wag na daw pre. Makoy Vergara. Power move, naagawan, nakuha. Makoy with the JC with the block. Pasilong nagbaba ng bola. Pasilong lays up.
Lawrence Basilio.
Unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Royals dahil ba to kay Renz? Hindi.
Alan Vergara.
Sino Paul? Sino Paul?
Who's foul rep? Number 18.
Sino 18?
First personal foul, third team foul. One shot is good.
Mamera. JC, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy, nagbaba ng bola. Makoy. Harass by JC. Makoy, wala. Rebound by Eborde. Pass to Vergara. Vergara, pass to Pasilong. Pasilong fakes. What a shot by Pasilong is good.
Lawrence Basilio.
Naghahanap ng foul pero walang nakuha si Allen. Ray Vergara, pass to hesitate. Intercepted by Lee. Nakuha ni Pagkanlungan. Nagbaba ng bola. Evet Pagkanlungan. Evet for the shot.
Evet Pagkanlungan.
Renz, binigay kay Buwan. Pass to Pasilong. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasilong. 5 seconds to shoot. Iking no good. Rebound by Javier. Javier naghahanap ng papasahan. Javier, pass to. No one.
Substitution.
Malamig na gabi sa inyong lahat. Two minutes remaining in the first quarter. Second pala, sorry. Second quarter. Vergara for the shot is good.
Makoy Vergara.
Ray Vergara, libre, no good.
Same ball.
No good kay Ryan. Nakuha ni Espinosa for the shot, wala pa din. Rebound by Makoy. Nagagawan. Allen nagmamadali. Allen for the shot. May nakitang foul kay Kuya Iking.
Foul number 22, Iking Vergara. First personal foul, 14th foul.
Noy! Pasok. May sub. Sub.
RJ Gamubas.
Bas, nagbaba ng bola. RJ for the shot, no good. Rebound by
Ese Borde. Foul number 10, Renzo Borde. Penalty.
si Renz. $37-44. Laro. Two of two. "15 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Iking, 10 seconds to shoot. What a pass!
Ese Borde.
Tibay ng mukha. Sino foul?
Who's foul, rep? Foul number 24.
Right Plaza. Lagyan mo na lang. Sino foul, pre? Hindi, dito. Si RJ Gamubas. Sige. ...35 seconds remaining. Allen. What a move by Allen. No good. Rebound by Renz. Renz, pinasa. Pinasa kay Vergara. Iking, what a move. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa, stolen. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Allen, for the shot. Wala pa rin. Javier.
James Javier!
Sino rep? Sino foul? Sino foul? Foul ba?
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Walang tawag din sa dalawa.
Allen, naghahanap ng papasahan sa inbound. Vergara, 5 seconds to shoot. Nag-aagawan. Same ball.
3 seconds. 3.6 seconds.
Iking Vergara, Hail Mary shot.
Wow! Iking Vergara 3. End of the first half. Ang ating score 50-44.
Gusto ba kasi ako?
Pagod.
Hindi ko naman alam. Wala kasi sa'yo. Ano kay parang bawak?
Okay, pre. Nakuha mo yun? Oo mo. Ano yun, pre? Sa phone mo, sinesend mo lang sa ano?
Hindi, tangan mo.
Meron sa'yo? Oh, sige,
Sinasend
sige.
ko lang sa GC.
Okay, okay.
Back to the ball game.
Allen Vergara for the inbound. Vergara brothers nasa loob ng court. Makoy for 3, no good. Rebound by Iking, ang panganay. Pasilong nagbababa ng bola. Pasilong sets up the play. Pasilong pa rin.
Same ball.
Pasilong to Espinosa. Haras by Makoy.
JC Espinosa. Foul on number
Sino pre?
18, Makoy Vergara. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Patrick. Sabi niya 6, kung ganun siya 6. Dito tuloy ako. Allen Vergara nagbaba. Allen lays up, no good. Rebound by Pasilong. Pasilong. Pass to Iking. Sabi ni Captain, easy lang tayo. Iking, nakakuha ng screen kay JC. Iking for the shot. Wala. Sino foul, brother?
Foul on number 54, Mike Magsambol. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Iking Vergara.
1 of 2 by Iking Vergara. Allen nag-uubos ng oras, mag-extend tayo committee. Allen for the 3. No good. Rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa, naghahanap ng papasan, binigay kay Jorens. Jorens Pasilong nagbababa. Nakakuha ng screen. Jorens, pinigay kay Captain Iking. Iking, pass to Rai. Rai back to Iking. 6 seconds to shoot.
Black ball.
What a defensive play by Lee Canosa. Brother. Payment, pre. Ano? Payment muna. Payment. Pwede ka na? Pwede to, pre. Sige, sabihin sige. Kausapin ko si Jenny. Pwede na pre? Pwede.
Sino nga kasi yung last nun eh?
Sino naka-score?
Foul on number 18, Ryan Vergara. Side ball. Second personal foul. First team foul by the Royals.
Naglalaro si Yodge. Allen. 7 seconds to shoot.
Royals ball.
Prebenta ba si Yodge?
Diyan na ano.
10 seconds to shoot. Pasilong.
Foul on number 14, Allen Vergara.
Lan si Allen.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Ito. Iking Vergara stole the ball. Iking for the layup.
Iking Vergara.
Sub tayo. Allen. No good. Rebound by Canosa. Pass to Plaza. Stepping on the line. Sub.
Substitution.
Ganda rin sa atin, pre. May Roro. Reels. May Roro. Igan. Susunduin ni Gabi. Sige. 12 seconds to shoot. Iking Vergara. Pass to Espinosa.
Traveling violation.
Allen Vergara. Nag-set up. Allen for 3. Allen.
Allen Vergara, 3!
Single digit na lang ang lamang ng Royals. 6 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Iking Vergara, may nakitang foul. Kanino, pre? Pre, kanino, pre? Hindi ko makita eh. Malabo mata ko. Pre, who's foul left? Taas kamay! Sino? Ano ba? Kanino? Pasok isa. Uy, hindi ko makita. Malabo mata ko, ha. Allen, pass to Plaza. Plaza for 3. No good. Rebound by Yodge. Yodge, pass to Allen. Allen, tumira ng 3. No good pa din. Nakuha ni Iking. Secures the rebound. Buwan. Buwan for the shot. It's good.
Albert Buwan.
Vergara. Nakuha na screen kay Buraga. Vergara for the shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Allen. Allen for the shot.
Galit to.
Foul on number 10, Rense Borde.
Isihan nyo lang, players. Isihan nyo lang.
Third personal foul, second team foul. 13 foul, sorry.
Huy. Gising. Sub tayo pag nakapasok, ha. Sub!
Substitution.
Chores nagbababa. 16 seconds to shoot. Back to Iking. Jorens for the shot.
Lawrence Basilo.
Sino foul?
Sino foul?
Pre, sino foul?
Usman rep.
Walang foul. Ha? Makoy for 3, no good. Rebound by Yodge. Buraga for the shot, wala pa rin. Iking Vergara sets up. Iking Vergara harassed by Makoy. Iking pinasa kay Jorens. 4 seconds to shoot. 4. No good. Pagsambol, nagbababa. Pagsambol.
Galit to.
Brother, isiya mo lang, brother.
Grabe ka naman, Jeron.
Bet, video. Videoan mo daw si Roro. Videoan mo daw si Roro dadating.
Ayun ha?
Oo, ngayon. Parating na. Sino nakashoot, pre? Ha?
Rense Borde.
Ha? Hindi ko alam, eh. Sino yung pre? Sino nakashoot?
Allen Vergara. JC Espinosa.
Sino foul, pre?
Foul.
Sino?
Foul on number 66, George Buraga. Second personal foul.
Ha? Penalty na?
Penalty.
What ka ba yan?
Third pa lang, pre. Wala pa. Nag-chat si Johnny. Nag-chat, eh.
Lobat pa to eh.
Pasok isa.
Abangan ko na lang. Lobat pa rin.
4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Allen.
Allenberg. Warning for delaying the game. Allen Vergara.
Again, for the shot, no good. Rebound by Espinosa, pero may nakitang
All on number 66, George Moraga, penalty. George Moraga, third personal foul.
Tatlo na, pre. Tatlo na. First shot is good by JC Espinosa. Pasok dalawa, pre. 69-52.
And the Morgan! Ah, wala, offensive foul pala, offensive foul.
Naglaro ko pa kasi.
Reds, offensive, Reds, offensive. Fourth personal foul on Renz Eborde, warning for graduation.
Nagla dito. Nagpapawis na lang, no?
Eight seconds violation.
Nalimutan. Kasi siya nga pala nagsundo ng break na coach rin si Johnny. Pinunbuyan niya.
George Buraga.
Ayun na.
Allen for the shot. No good. Rebound by Iking. Iking pass to Pasilong. Pasilong nagbababa ng bola. Pasilong with a crossover. Pass to JC. JC pass to Eborde. Muntik maagawan. Pasilong to Espinosa. Espinosa for the shot. No good.
Foul number
Ano number?
23, Richie De Leon. First personal foul. Two shots for JC Espinosa.
Sub tayo pagpasok, ha. Pagpasok. Timeout. Timeout kayo. Basket timeout. Basket timeout. Timeout.
Timeout Oilers.
Pasok, pre, ha, Royals.
Nangyari nito, technical.
Oy, technical ka, Chok. Rep, ano nga? Rep, technical tayo sa shorts, ha.
Balik ka rin
Ito
mo,
bilikod.
Chok. Balik ka rin mo.
Sige na nga, iyakan mo na. Okay na, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Kawawa naman yan, ha?
Rep. George Buraga, nagbababa ng bola. George for the shot.
George Moraga.
Javier. Javier to Espinosa. Espinosa umikot. Muntik bang nakagawa ni Allen. Allen, pinasakay! Anong tawag, Rep? Pero tama, pre? Sino foul? Sino foul? Ha?
Buraga.
Uy, apat na yan. Jorens.
Lawrence na, Lawrence.
Foul on number 16, Jorens Pasilong.
Uy, putang ina.
Second personal foul.
Ilan pumasok?
Dalawa, dalawa. Si Chok Chok lang yun eh.
Sab. Ah, wala na. Mamaya. Sino pre? Hindi, sino sab? Sino foul?
Foul on number 19, JC Espinosa. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Ito wrestling mo.
Pasok isa.
Kabawas. 12% kanina eh. Ayun na yata na. Wrestling mo ayaw alam. Ano ba yung bet Android? Hindi. 5C?
Pre, ano mo na lang sa saksakan. Tapos, oh.
5C?
Sino yun, pre?
JC Espinosa.
Record lang ng... Ano yung signal? Bro, naka-OBS ka rito. Kaya ano ito?
Foul on number 16, Jorens Pasilong. Third personal foul. Penalty.
JJ, napili. Pasok isa. May sub tayo pag pumasok ha. Sub. Sub. Pasok! Ay nako, yung mga player na to. Third pa lang ha, baka akala nyo fourth na.
Foul on number 02, RJ Cabubas. Warning for graduation for RJ Cabubas.
Lawrence na, play na na. Lawrence na.
Lo. Buraga is with the spin move, no good.
Black ball. 47 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Allen pa rin. Buraga, naagawan. Buraga tuiking. Nakuha ni Allen. Nakuha ni Allen. Nagagawan. Buraga secures the ball. Buraga nagbababa ng bola.
Double dribble.
Twelve seconds to shoot. Javier may tanan ng bola. Pass to Espinosa. Harass by Lee Canosa. 7 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Buraga. Buraga pass to Canosa. 3 seconds. Canosa for the layup.
Canosa! And no of the third quarter. 72-61. Lamang ang Royals.
Tangina kasi daming kumakausap eh. Gato na lang. Pag may kumakausap, kaya yun sila. Basta magtatrabaho tayo dito. Ang daming mga nagsasalita eh. Ang itong mga to eh. Pero hindi alam, nagtatrabaho tayo eh. Okay tayo, fourth quarter ha. Game tayo.
Fourth quarter.
Down to single digits ang kalamangan ng Royals. Iking Vergara. Iking may nakakuha ng screen kay Espinosa. Iking recovers the ball. Iking pa rin. Pass to Rai. Rai to Espinosa for the shot. No good. Rebound by Iking. Pero
Lakbo.
Plaza for 3, no good. Rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa naghahanap ng papasahan, nagbababa ng bola. Espinosa. To Iking. Easy lang daw, sabi ni Iking. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Buraga, pass to Allen. Allen nagbababa. Allen to Plaza. Plaza fakes. Plaza shoots. No good. Javier. Nagawa ni Allen.
Royals ball.
Allen Vergara. Libreng-libre is good.
Allen Vergara.
Saba, dead ball Saba. Espinosa harassed by the Oilers. Nagawan. Plaza, pass to Buraga. Buraga for the shot is good.
George Buraga.
Wala. Good. Pre, pupunta kayo sa gitna pag magta-time out, pag mag-sub sa gitna. Oo. Pag wala sa gitna, huwag niyo tawagan ng time out tsaka sub. Pasilong to Iking. Iking, umikot. What a move by Iking.
Iking Vergara.
Nako po, na-injured pa si Allen. Ano nangyari? Walang timeout, no? Kaya, tuloy tayo. May sub ka? Sub. Sige, sub.
George
Buraga. Plaza for 3. No good. Rebound by Eborde. Iking secures the ball. Pass to Pasilong. Harassed by Ebet. Pasilong for the shot is good.
Lawrence Pasillo.
76. Makoy. Haras by Rai. Nakakuha na screen kay Canosa. Makoy for the layup.
Makoy Vergara.
7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Iging for the shot, wala. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy nagbababa ng bola. Makoy to Buraga. Buraga, muntik mabitawan. Buraga, easy lang daw. Defense by Espinosa, pero may nakitang foul.
Foul number 19, JC Espinosa. Fourth personal foul on JC Espinosa. First team foul. 2 shots. Shout out Betang!
Second shot is good by Yoj Buraga. Ten seconds to shoot. Joris Basilong. Wala. Nakuha ni Pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan nagbaba ng bola. Pagkanlungan, bullet pass to Yoj Buraga is good.
George Moraga!
6-point lead by the Royals. Maalagaan ba nila ang lamang? Espinosa. Pass to Rai. Rai Vergara, no good. Rebound by Pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan, pass to Canosa. Libreng-libre yan.
George Moraga! Time out Royals!
Tulong sa hawak sa kagiliran.
76-72.
Back to the ball game!
Oh, ano ba yan?
76-72. Apat na puntos na kalamangan ng Royals. 5 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Pasilong, may tanan ng bola. Pass to JC. JC Espinosa. Forces his way. Good!
JC Espinosa!
Sino pa si Yoj? Yoj Braga, pre. Yoj Braga.
George Moraga, graduate! 5 fouls. 5 na, 5. 5 fouls on Raj. 5.
Ba't 79 na yan? 79 talaga yan. Bro, sound ka nga, ano eh, medyo intense pag walang sound eh.
Same ball.
Ay na kasi, magre-reklamo sila, may lista nga tayo. Ano nangyari? 5 fouls, kakapasok lang ni Yoj, third quarter. Gumraduate siya. Yan ang gagawa natin eh, 5 fouls nga siya.
Canosa 3!
Ilang daw nila, apat lang.
Reklamo po yun, nakakainis eh. Ano na bawal, pre?
Si Kuya Edit.
Evet Pagkanlungan. First personal foul. number 7, Lee Canosa.
Siya, baba. Penalty ba? Wala pa. Wala pa, no?
First personal foul, second team foul.
Sino? Allen.
Call on number 14, Allen Vergara.
Ilan?
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Kahapon. Pasok ba? Pasok? Royals. Makoy Vergara for the layup.
Makoy Vergara!
Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Royals.
Shot clock violation.
Ilan pa timeout nila, pre? Focus tayo, ha? Canosa, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Pagkanlungan, hesitates. Pagkanlungan for the shot.
Evan Pagkalungan!
Basket timeout, ha? Basket timeout sila. May sub dito, ha? Basket timeout sila.
Racing Espinosa! Time out Oilers!
Charge ka na, sir. Napatimeout nila, pre. Mamaya ka na mag-phone, Noy. Mamaya ka na mag-phone. Di wala ka makikita sa atin nagpo-phone, no?
#83-81, 2-point lead by the Royals. Last 3 minutes in the fourth and final quarter.
Sino?
Allen Vergara! Deadlock at 83.
Ten seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. No good.
Outside.
Magulo. Ilang. Allen, naras by IJ. Plaza fix. Pass to Pagkanlungan. Free for the 3. No good. Rebound by Pasilong. Pasilong nagbababa ng bola.
Last 2 minutes!
8 seconds to shoot. What a defensive stop by Iking!
Iking Vergara!
Allen Vergara, babawi. Allen for the shot. No good. Rebound by Reservorde. Sabi niya, easy lang daw.
Lawrence Basilio. Time out.
Sino?
Royal.
Focus ha. Ilan pa timeout ito? Tatlo pa kayo, timeout nyo. Tatlo timeout pa. Sino ba? Basket timeout kayo? Basket timeout kayo. Okay. Basket nila, timeout. Basket timeout sila ha.
Hey, bakit nga basket, Oilers timeout. Basket. Basket Oilers, Basket Oilers timeout.
Basket timeout sila, basket timeout ha. Digging, no good. Rebound by Jorens. 1 minute remaining. Sino foul, pre? Ha? Sino foul?
Call at number 18, Makoy Vergara, his third personal. Fourth team foul.
Seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Second shot for JC, no good! Nakuha ni Makoy! Nakuha ni Makoy ang bola! Makoy nagbababa. Makoy for the layup is good!
Makoy Vergara! Time out Royals!
Bola ng Oilers, 31.6 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Sorry, bola pala ng Royals.
Foul on RJ Cabubas. RJ Cabubas, 5 fouls.
Buzzer, 5 fouls.
Second team foul for the Royals. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara. Foul on number 7, Ewit Pagkanlungan.
Penalty, penalty.
Everett Patalungan, third personal foul. 2 shots.
Penalty, penalty.
2 shots for JC Espinosa.
Time out, time out, time out.
Time out, Oilers.
Wala na time out.
End of the ball game. 89-85. Win secured by the Royals.
My God.